Hello all. In this video we will see how to use the dictation feature in Windows 10. This dictation feature is very useful for those whose hands are not supporting for them to type and those who are fascinated to use dictation to talk instead of type on their PCs. So this dictation feature uses Microsoft inbuilt speech recognition, so we no need to install any software or anything. It's a free available feature in Windows 10, and if you want some additional softwares and with more features, you can purchase like Dragon, etc. So, but today we are going to see the free one that is available for everyone. It is also pretty simple. I think it works with the internet connection only. If you have internet connection, we can use it. With a simple command, we can use this dictation feature. The command is we have to press and hold the Windows logo key and we have to press the H key. H for Hong Kong. You have to press the H or hotel. Now I open my notepad. I am pressing and holding the Windows key and I am pressing H key. Hello, comma, goodbye. Stop dictation. Oh, it didn't type anything. Let's try it again. Again, I am pressing and holding the Windows logo key and I am pressing H key. Hello, comma. Today we are testing the inbuilt Microsoft dictation feature. Period. Stop dictation. Oh, good. When I pressed Windows logo plus H, it has given one sound feedback. That means it has started. And at the end, when I said stop dictation, again it has given one sound feedback. That means it stopped. So it works like this. Let's review how it typed and all. Oh, only there is dictation feature. Let's try it again. Let me delete it. Again I am pressing Windows logo and H. Hello, comma. Today we are testing Windows 10 inbuilt dictation feature. Period. Stop dictation. Oh, good. It works correctly. At the beginning, it kept H capital letter and it also included comma that I told. And at the end, oh, it even kept the full stop also. So it is working quite good. And for this, we have many commands to use it effectively, like editing the text, selecting the word, selecting the sentence and deleting, copying, not copying, and capitalizing. We can do such kind of stuff. That article commands link I will provide in the description. So finally, let's review this with the screen reader. I am turning on the screen reader. Let's see how it will work with the screen reader as well.
Hello, today we are testing Windows 10 inbuilt dictation feature. Hello.
I am deleting this again. I deleted
blank.
Again I am pressing Windows logo plus H. Let's try with the screen reader.
Initialized listening.
Hello. Hello.
Tip. Say
Stop
period
dictation.
4. Blank.
typed anything. Again I am turning on it by pressing Windows plus H.
Tip.
Hello.
Say select less word greater.
Comma.
Hello. Hello.
Today
comma,
we are testing
comma.
Windows
Tip.
10.
Say comma 4. We are testing Windows
screen reader
10
like
in
NVDA.
build. Hang on. We need a moment to catch up. And feature with the screen reader like.
Period.
3 with the screen reader like. Tip. Say comma 4.
Dictation.
Period. Picture with the screen reader video. Stop. With the screen read. Hello. Hello, today we are testing Windows 10 inbuilt dictation feature. With the screen reader like NVDA etc. Picture with the screen reader.
Oh good, it typed quite correct, having tiny mistakes. We can change it, we can correct it with the dictation feature only, like select this word, select that word, delete that, edit that. We can say this command. That commands and all I will give that article link in the description. So with the screen reader also it is working fine. Use this dictation feature wherever it is required. Once again, thank you for watching. If you have any queries or if you want to know few more topics, please let me know in the comments. Wherever we have edit field, we can use this dictation feature. Please remember that in the web, the search bar, etc., notepad, word, etc. Once again, thank you. Bye bye.